Exploring different types of rooms in homes, designs, and furnishings. Designing a home involves more than just selecting furniture and decor. Each room has its own purpose and requires thoughtful planning to make it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore various types of rooms found in homes, their key design elements, common furniture pieces, and popular styles to inspire your next home improvement project. The entrance hall, living room, dining room, bedroom, guest room, home office, kitchen, and bathroom. So, grab your attention because you won't want to miss a single design detail. Are you ready to get started? The entrance hall, also known as the foyer, is the first space guests see when they enter your home. It's crucial for making a lasting first impression. For the layout, an open layout creates a welcoming atmosphere. Ensure there's enough space for guests to move comfortably. In terms of lighting, a statement chandelier or pendant light adds elegance and brightens the area. For flooring, durable materials like ceramic tiles or hardwood are ideal. Add a patterned rug for warmth and style. Storage solutions like built-in cabinets or a console table near the entrance help keep keys, mail, and small items organized. Common furniture includes shoe racks or benches to keep the floor clutter-free, coat hooks or wall-mounted racks to neatly hang coats, scarves and bags, and umbrella stands which are convenient for rainy days. Common designs for the entrance hall include minimalist, with clean lines, neutral colors, and uncluttered spaces creating a serene entryway, elegant with crystal chandeliers, marble floors, and refined decor exuding sophistication, and personalized with family photos, artwork, or a decorative mirror adding a personal touch. The living room is a multifunctional space for family gatherings, entertainment, and relaxation. Design elements include comfortable seating like sofas, armchairs, and sectionals which provide ample seating. Opt for plush cushions and soft upholstery. Coffee tables serve as functional surfaces for drinks, books, or decorative items. Choose designs that complement your style. An entertainment center or TV stand organizes media devices and creates a sleek look with a wall-mounted TV. Common furniture in the living room includes a combination of a large sofa and smaller seating options, which adds flexibility, extra seating armchairs that create cozy corners, popular coffee tables choices like wooden, glass, or metal options, and floor lamps that provide ambient lighting and add visual interest. Common top designs of the living room include contemporary with clean lines, neutral colors, and minimalistic decor. Mid-century modern with retro-inspired furniture and bold patterns. Bohemian, an eclectic mix of textures, plants, and global influences. And coastal, featuring light, airy designs with beach-inspired elements like rattan furniture and ocean hues. The dining room, more than just a place to eat, it's where memories are made. Start with a sturdy, timeless dining table that can handle years of family meals. Surround it with comfortable chairs, mix and match styles for an eclectic look. A statement chandelier or pendant lights can instantly elevate the ambiance. Add warmth and texture with a beautiful rug under the table. Dress up the walls with a gallery of family photos or artwork. Fresh flowers or greenery bring life to the space, making it warm and inviting. Let's move on to the bedroom, our sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Prioritize comfort and a sense of calm. Invest in a high-quality mattress and luxurious bedding. Opt for soft, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. Choose soothing, neutral tones like soft blues, calming grays, or warm creams. Use soft bedside lamps with warm-toned bulbs for a relaxing ambiance. Incorporate houseplants to purify the air and bring in nature. Create a cozy reading nook or meditation corner for ultimate relaxation. Now, let's talk about the guest room. Create a space that feels welcoming and comfortable. A comfortable bed is a must-opt for a queen-size bed if space allows. Add thoughtful touches like fresh flowers, a carafe of water, and a basket of toiletries. Provide ample storage for guests to unpack their belongings. Consider adding a small bookshelf with a few good reads. It's the little things that make a big difference in creating a memorable guest room experience. Think about your own experiences as a guest and what made you feel comfortable. Whether you work from home full-time or just need a dedicated space for tasks, a well-designed home office can make all the difference. Start with functionality. Choose a desk large enough for your essentials. Invest in a good ergonomic chair to prevent back pain and promote good posture. Incorporate a mix of open and closed storage solutions. Keep your workspace well organized to boost productivity. Infuse your personality into your home office design with artwork and personal touches. Your home office should be a space where you feel comfortable and motivated. The kitchen is often considered as the heart of the home. It's where meals are prepared and family gatherings happen. Let's talk about the essential design elements of kitchens. First, the work triangle. Optimize the layout by arranging the sink, stove, and refrigerator in a triangular pattern for efficient workflow and movement. Next, materials quartz countertops are durable and easy to maintain, and a subway tile backsplash adds a classic touch. Lastly, the island. If space allows, a central island provides extra workspace and casual seating. In terms of furniture, for eat-in kitchens, choose a dining table and chairs that complement the overall design. Stylish bar stools offer additional seating at the kitchen island. Essential kitchen appliances include a fridge, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. Now let's explore some common designs of kitchens. Modern kitchens feature sleek cabinetry, handleless drawers, and pendant lighting. Farmhouse kitchens bring rustic charm with a farmhouse sink, open shelving, and wooden accents. Scandinavian kitchens focus on light wood, minimalistic design, and functionality to create a cozy atmosphere. The bathroom is both a functional and essential space in your home. In the bathroom, each component plays a vital role. The choice between a shower or bathtub depends on the available space and personal preference. A sink and vanity provide necessary storage for toiletries and grooming essentials. Of course, the toilet is an essential fixture in every bathroom. A vanity with countertop and sink complements the overall style, while a medicine cabinet cleverly conceals toiletries and medications. Lastly, towel racks or hooks are indispensable for keeping towels organized and accessible. Bathrooms can also reflect various design themes. A spa-like design features calming colors, natural materials like stone or wood, and soft lighting for a relaxing ambiance. The modern style embraces sleek fixtures, clean lines, and a minimalistic approach. For a touch of nostalgia, the vintage style includes elements like clawfoot tubs, retro tiles, and antique-inspired decor. I hope this video has sparked some inspiration for your own home design projects. Remember, creating a home you love is an ongoing journey, so embrace the process and have fun with it. For more inspiration and detailed guides, visit our blog at www.buildingslead.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's where we dwell, at buildingslead.com. Dive into our blog for a wealth of knowledge, expert insights, and groundbreaking ideas. Or join our vibrant social media community, a hub for the curious and the creative. Your journey to enlightenment begins now. Buildingslead.com, where minds meet innovation.